Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix automatic brightness on Instagram. Right, so if you're using Instagram and if you're watching some kind of videos or reels or post, you will see a very uneasy thing, which is where the brightness increase and decrease automatic. Let me show you. So as you can see here, my brightness is down, right? And if I just scroll my reels, automatic my brightness will be go down, right? So this is very this is very weird thing. So how you can fix it up? So first of all, you have to just open the settings of your phone. So just let's say I will open my settings, scroll a little bit down, go here which is called display and brightness. Now here you will find an option which is called auto switch. So basically your phone will auto switch between the dark mode and light mode. So make sure you can select any one of them, and this should be the off. The another thing where your brightness changes automatic, which is because your auto brightness is turned on. So you have to turn it off and make sure whatever the brightness, you can set it always from the top bar, right? So this is how you can do it. It's really easy. This is the only problem, which is where the auto brightness is turned on, and depending upon the light exposure on your surrounding, your brightness changes automatic. So you can just keep it as up to you, whatever you require, but make sure this is off. And this will be static, it will not change again. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.